How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where this Tuesday we're displaying the model by the name of the Lakeview. What makes the Lakeview so unique is, as you can see behind me, plenty of windows bringing in the natural light with the 2-inch blinds and the double thermal pane. If you look, we've got a nice bump out right here as well that adds plenty of options for your decor or a nice area for walkability to get to your nice entertainment center. If you look right here, it's built in. You got plenty of storage space down below and a nice area up above that you can mount a flat screen TV. And that flows perfectly right over here into your entry door, where you look, you've got the glass front with the blinds inside the window. You look right above, we've got dual prismatic windows as well, bringing a one-of-a-kind feel to your park model. And everything kind of flows together right over here into your dining area. We have a nice optional island that gives you plenty of space for entertaining, plenty of space for dining, a lot of options you can do right here. And we've added a nice bump out right here for you to be able to have a little bit more room for space to walk around and entertain. And that showcases the windows right here to the left as well, and also with your dual pendant lights. That kind of flows down and gives you a nice feeling to this particular part of the home. If you look right behind me, we've got the built-in hutch with the extra large countertop right here, guys. Gives you a lot of space right here to decor, to put things on. You have plenty of space to do that. Cabinets down below, drawers right above, plenty of cabinet space, a nice color as well. A lot of countertop space over here. Also, you look, you got the nice sink with the window right above. Again, guys, washing dishes, we don't want you to be bored. You got plenty of space to look out there onto your property. Flows perfectly into your black appliances. You've got a nice smooth top oven. Got the microwave right above and the nice refrigerator right here to match. If you guys follow me right here as well, we'll go right into the bathroom, where we've got a tub. A lot of people want a tub in a park model. Well, you got one right here with the Lakeview. Plenty of options right here for you to sit back, soak in the tub, and have a nice view as well. You guys walk out with me, and as you can see, I know you see it, we've got a nice staircase with a banister leading up to your split loft. We'll get to that a little bit later, but you guys, I couldn't pass it without telling you about it. We'll walk right back here, and you've got a nice area for your stackable washer and dryers to fit in right there, and it flows perfectly into the master, where you've got the nice pocket door as well, and that stain to match the cabinets, and also your built-ins right here in the master. You guys come in, you see you got plenty of space right here in your master. And also, again, since we were talking about the cabinets, here we go again, covering your electric panel. We don't want that electric panel to look dull and boring. We like to cover it up and make it look nice and elegant. Got a nice window as well, bringing that natural light, make it feel a lot larger in your master also. That's the feeling we want to get in these park models, as large as we can get. Look behind me, we got all this extra space. You got drawers down below, a nice area right here for you to put your little flat screen TV right into the entertainment center. And then a nice section right there for you to hang your clothes, hang everything you need right there. You guys follow me right through here. Now we're gonna get to the fun part. You guys follow me around, and we're gonna lead right up into the loft. All right, guys, you're up here with me in the split loft in the Lakeview. As you can see around, we've got plenty of space up here with the dual split loft, guys. We got space on each side. You can fit up to 8 people up here to sleep when it comes to the end of the night. There's plenty of options up here for you guys, and what adds character to it is all the windows that are displayed all the way around. And also with this nice little bump out right here, adds plenty of accent to your loft and gives you a one-of-a-kind feel. Guys, this is a great option for your next lake house, your next forever home, or your next land retreat. You guys need to check out the Lakeview. Come here to Recreational Resort Cottages and see it in person. And thank you so much for staying with me for another Tiny Home Tuesday. Again, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. Come see me, and I'll get you a deal you can't refuse. You guys have a great day.